In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download ElevenLabs. This guide will walk you through the entire process step by step, ensuring you can smoothly and effectively use this fantastic tool. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser, make sure you have a stable internet connection. This is essential, as you'll be accessing an online platform that requires a smooth interaction to avoid any disruption during the process. Once your browser is open, the next step is to sign in. You have the flexibility to sign in using your email and password, or, for a more streamlined experience, utilize single sign-on if your organization supports it. This step is crucial to access the full capabilities of ElevenLabs, so ensure your login information is at hand. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the text-to-speech section of the website. This is where the magic happens. The text-to-speech section is dedicated to transforming written content into spoken word, which is especially useful for various applications like creating voiceovers or accessibility purposes. Next, you'll need to type the message or text that you want to convert into speech. Take your time to ensure everything is correctly typed, as this text will be the basis of your audio output. Double-check for any typos or grammatical errors to guarantee you're getting the best possible result. Moving on, it's time to choose a voice. ElevenLabs offers a variety of voice options to suit different needs and preferences. You might prefer a particular accent, tone, or gender, and you can usually find a voice that matches the style you're aiming for. Experiment with a few to see which one resonates best with your text and the message you want to convey. With your text ready and your voice selected, the next step is to click on Generate Speech. This will initiate the conversion process, turning your carefully crafted text into a digital audio file. This process typically takes a few moments, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantaneously. Once the speech is generated, take the time to review the audio file. Listen through the entire piece to confirm that everything sounds just right. This is your opportunity to catch any mispronunciations or inconsistencies, ensuring the final product meets your expectations. If you're happy with what you hear and the audio sounds perfect to you, the final step is to click on the download icon. This action will save the audio file to your device, and you'll have complete access to your newly created sound piece. And there you have it. Following these straightforward steps, you've not only converted text to speech using ElevenLabs, but also successfully downloaded the file for your use. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to leave your feedback or questions in the comments. See you in the next video.